Yeah, that's my weekly, a long BTC weekly chart I have.
Yeah.
So it's funny. I have some mixed signals on
Yeah.
BTC. Some chart it's pretty bullish, and other chart it's kind of nothing really happening. But it seems to me that it's more like consolidating. We never went lower than this level so far in this consolidation. So I mean, as long as we keep that level,
Yeah.
we don't go below there. There's a good probability that we'll go up this line and perhaps take this as a new support level and maybe try to do a new pump will come. I have not on this one, but I have a weekly chart that is kind of it has to bounce or not die, but or we're going to feel very painful weeks ahead if we're not pumping like next week or between now and next week.
Yeah.
I mean, if it go down, then I mean that can be a long correction. But so far, it doesn't look to me that it will go down. It's more like it's consolidating and perhaps pumping higher. So, but it's market is kind of slow right now. So we'll see. Yeah, that's my monthly chart. So we're kind of in the middle of nowhere right now, but we're closer to the resistance line here. So I am expecting more as a catch-up move towards 98.33. But I mean, if this is a real pump, I mean, we can go high as 631. Let's say 10K 631.
Okay, now that sounds
So
good.
yeah, retesting that level here that has been been hammered many times.
Now, I was thinking in the first week of August to see a 10K, like around the 6th of August, somewhere there.
That's just this one is a daily chart. I mean, it's kind of just going sideline right now. So we'll see. But I mean, it touched the middle, the 45 degrees of the square. So usually these are good support levels, and perhaps we'll bounce from here. So if I look at this one on the 36D, if again the spiral is correct as it was before, we're not necessarily good for new all-time highs, but I mean we can still play the elevator game here and go up to 9443.
Yes.
Perhaps shoot above here, but so far, I mean, we stayed in that range, and doesn't seem to move. But I have some weeklies that shows that we may pump to higher than that. Actually, we may go around 10.3, 10.2 kind of range.
Yeah.
But it remains to be seen. Okay. I mean, so far, it is not showing there on this one. Yeah.
Yeah, on this
but
one
I mean,
it's honoring.
Yeah, this one I charted this chart a long time ago, so that's why I prefer to rely more on my historical chart, as they have proven themselves to be accurate. But I'm not always use one view to make one chart to make my view or my opinion where it will go. So I always need more. I need different sources to make a better decision.
Okay.
So yeah, if this barrel is really a big resistance, so maybe perhaps next month. Let me see August 4th, new candle. So starting August 4th, maybe we can go lower, perhaps, and bonds once here and perhaps try to retest it and break out. But I mean, that's a longer term scenario. We'll see. Yes. Of course. I mean, we can have some surprise, and then this thing can just break out the spiral and be free to go higher. So we'll see. So far, I'm more like 50-50 on where it will go. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it. I also have a big resistance line that it didn't break yet. So yes, but it's just hovering on top of it. So it might break through. I don't know. Yeah. So I don't know. I also have a bit of a mixed feeling. But yeah, if it breaks out, 10K is coming.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I think we tested at least 3 times. Yeah. 10.5.
Yeah.
Sorry. My son is he comes to me saying that my time was over.
Oh boy, then your duty calls, eh?
Yep. So that's about it for me this week.
No, that was quite interesting seeing your new patterns you developed, and it's really useful. So well done to you, Keops.
Thanks.
Yeah, no, I enjoy it, and yeah, this is quite an interesting oval you had there, and yeah, I hope really to see more of your new patterns. They're very, very good.
Thanks, thank you. I mean, unfortunately, I will have to leave.
No
maybe
problem.
Next week we can take another session, and you can show me your ideas and your views as well.
No problem. I'll share you my views next time.